bored. What do we got here?
On Sport Chalet's website? Look at all that. That looks fun.
I know. Let's have an outdoor adventure today.
We have some of that gear. Let's go to Sport Chalet and get the rest.
Good idea.
Great.
Set up. Gear, rope, bags.
Helmet, harness, rope. That's all we need.
Hi, my name's Danae Williams, manager of Foothill Ranch Sport Chalet, and I can take you to the limit.
You're a great friend. Hey, sweetie, don't you forget, yeah, I get to be the first.
Awesome.
So glad that we got all our missing gear at Sport Chalet.
Same here.
Totally took it to the limit.
Yeah, buddy.